Cloud computing isn't just technology. In Caribs, it's a new way of thinking about IT.
Cloud computing means accessing computing resources over the internet. In the cloud, AWS manages the infrastructure for you. You only pay for what you use to HATs, nothing more. Scalability means growing resources when demand increases. Elasticity means scaling automatically and instantly. High availability keeps applications running even when something fails. Fault tolerance means no interruption, even during failure. AWS delivers applications globally. There are different ways to deploy cloud solutions. And public cloud uses shared AWS infrastructure. Private cloud is dedicated to one organization. Hybrid cloud combines on-premises with AWS. AWS offers different service models. EC2 gives infrastructure control. Elastic Beanstalk manages platforms. SaaS delivers ready-to-use software. Serverless removes servers entirely. AWS infrastructure is built for resilience.
Regions contain multiple availability zones. Edge locations deliver content faster.
Cloud concepts are the foundation of everything you build on AWS. Mastering cloud fundamentals is the key to passing the exam for us. Cloud concepts are the foundation of everything you build on AWS. Mastering cloud fundamentals is the key to passing the exam